Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a dryer vent coupling setup. So if you've ever moved your dryer around or things like that, you know the vent comes popping off. Well, this here is gonna hopefully prevent that from happening ever again to us. So the way it works is, I'm just gonna take out all the pieces and parts here and show you what we've got. So I've used similar ones before, so I'll be able to explain it to you. So the way it works is in the wall, you know, you have the contraption there. So instead, you're gonna have this thing sticking out of the wall for your hole. Instead of that other one there, you put this on it, and it comes with the little brackets and everything like that you need. So you'll kind of hook up your existing hose onto it, push it back into the wall. Okay, so you've got that on the wall, and then this part here will be hooked onto the hose here. So you'll hook this onto your hose. That will go into your dryer. This here is a flexible hose. So it's actually really easy to set up if you've hooked up a dryer before. This is gonna be no more difficult than that. So it'll connect up into there, and you have your little strap around it there to tighten it up, right? So you'll have this part here coming out. This here will connect up to your dryer just the way you currently do, right? So you move it around. And then when you get to the point where it's connecting up to the wall, so you've got this, and when you need to connect it to the wall, you just kind of get this in the right location, and what's gonna happen is this is gonna suck onto there, and it's not going anywhere until you really bump it off. So that's what's good about it. It's gonna hold it on, and so now you'll have this on the wall, this on your dryer, so then as you pull your dryer out, you can disconnect this and pull your dryer out to clean underneath it, clean around it, get lost socks from behind it and things like that, and then put it back on. When you put it back, it'll kind of, you know, even if you just get it close, it just kind of snaps into place. It's gonna connect back up again. So this is great thing. If you don't have one of these things, this should be like mandatory on everything. But yeah, so it's gonna totally make it connect back up again, and so you can move your dryer out and get stuff behind it. Nobody ever wants to move their dryer and get the stuff behind it. Accumulates lint, accumulates goop, whatever else, and it gets yucky. And unless you have a really, really long hose and lots of space behind there, it's not fun to do. So this here is a lifesaver for those things there. Totally awesome. Thumbs up for sure.